Against all the chaos, our mind truly always looks for bliss and peace. At Bharatvarsh, we always have started from the roots. Our beloved cows, ducks, and animals are always our inspiration. The vastness of this lawn, beautiful nursery, and these amazing swings, which gives us an opportunity to fly our wings. We somehow meet our childhood in all these moments. From playing with one another, or even seeing our kids play, it's just another joyous moment. At Ekant, we always had a dream of going for the highest level of self-exploration. In the world full of competition and technology, this nature escape provides all the answers to the unresolved questions. This is Bharatvarsh Nature Farms, close to nature, close to heart.